If you've ever wondered what a knock sensor looks like, what it does, or why your engine needs one in the first place, you are in luck. This is what I'll explain in the simplest possible manner in this short video. Let's get to business. A knock sensor is a vital engine protection device that acts as a microphone when mounted to your vehicle's engine block. It detects unusual vibrations caused by improper combustion, premature ignition, or detonation and sends signal to the ECU to delay timing by a fraction of a second. This simple act instantly prevents mechanical damage, especially when using poor quality or low-grade gasoline. If an engine doesn't have this all-important knock sensor, or if this sensor fails, the ECU won't notice when detonation occurs in the cylinders. This reality can and will quickly melt pistons, crack piston rings, bend connecting rods, and destroy spark plugs, especially in high output or revving engines. So, how does this communication between the knock sensor and the ECU take place? Simple, via structural vibration frequencies picked up and sent by the sensor to the ECU in real time. Here's a bench test demonstration of how this sensor transmits knocking, pinging, or detonation to the ECU. Why pay a mechanic when you can simply do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.